Hey, this is Riddle. Welcome to my channel. I wanted to introduce you to something I've created recently. We have a little property in the Santa Cruz Mountains in Santa Cruz, California, and I'm creating a magical forest and fairy realm. So something that happened about 100 years ago in the Santa Cruz Mountains is they logged. And when they came through, they did something called a slash and burn. What a slash and burn is they cut the beautiful original mother trees, and then they burned the stumps. And by burning the stumps, instead of the tree completely dying, the redwood trees clone themselves in perfect circles, which you can kind of see here. And it can be anywhere from 3 to a dozen trees that come up. Now on our property, the trees are now seem like they're 60 to 80 years old, some of them older, younger, give or take. But I saw this circles everywhere and I couldn't help but to feel shelter. So in this ever chaotic world, I wanted to make a space, a safe space that people could just be in, that children could come to and unplug from technology and connect to the earth, and more than just the earth, but the elemental feeling of the earth. That part of us that is not grasping logic, but it's the deeper connection, the molecular connection, the spiritual connection. So I originally created the shelter, and the shelter has, I used no nails, no wire. It's all permaculture. It's just these trees, hundreds and hundreds of dead branches and redwood trees woven through this redwood grove circle. And the doorway also is just woven, constructed from the trees. But this is when it gets magical. Inside, I have created a fairy realm, and there it's growing, a growing community of magical places. And the cool thing is, and what inspired this was, see the little tea set here and the unicorn I first showed you? I didn't put these in here. The children automatically sensed whatever that energy is that we connect to before it's broken from us on a natural level. And when they started leaving little gifts for the fairies in here, I thought, okay, I can meet you on that level, kids. And I built this for the children in the community here. But very soon, I'm going to open this up to the public. So if you live in the area and you would like to treat your kids or grandchildren or yourself to something really, really cool, let me know. I'm going to do this scheduled. I don't want a bunch of people here at the same time. I want people to have a really quiet, really magical experience. So I live very close to the mystery spot, and I don't want it to be like the mystery spot, and plus we have limited parking, so I don't want a bunch of people up here, and I don't want their experience to be like it is day to day, all chaotic. So that's gonna create something very kind for people, hopefully, and a moment with their kids unplugged from technology in the natural world, but also in a somewhat magical world. And I encourage you to bring gifts for the fairies. They like shiny things, and they like yummy things, and they like natural things, they like pretty things. And I would say that this project is about 80% finished. But the thing when you're doing things like this, you just never know what it's going to ask you for next. So if you want information on how to find the fairy realm and you'd like to come and take a quiet visit, just drop me a line in the comment box and or send me an email and I will get you directions and set up a time. Bye for now.